So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Here you join me at Stratstone BMW in Leeds, where we are going to be taking out the iX, the brand new electric BMW. They've kindly invited me down to take this car out today, so we're going to head over to the Peak District. This will be the behind the scenes vlog. I'll be doing two videos. So the first video that you'll see is the sort of review that I'm going to be doing on it. But look behind us, we've got an Isle of Man Green M3 and an M5 competition. Hopefully next time we can take out those cars, but yeah, let's get on with it and I'll take you inside. This is the car. Not this exact one, but this style. It's the X-Drive 40 that we're going to be taking out. I think this one has the bigger wheels. I saw it outside, but I'm not actually sure which wheels the other ones have. But yeah, this is a really nice colour as well. Home in the BMW iX from Stratstone BMW, and I'm sort of looking through all the different features that it's got, trying to work out each different thing because it's very techy in here. But what features I've noticed is these pretty cool crystal dials and the gear shifters, and again with the crystal theme here you've got them as well, and going through the car over to here, and then on the screen, which is a huge screen, I'm not exactly sure on the size, but it goes all the way across. It's fully touch screen. Everything is controlled from the screens. So like all the aircon and everything, so the climate menu is here. We'll turn that on because it's absolutely boiling. But yeah, you can control literally everything. The heated seats, the heated steering wheel, you've got literally everything. The seats are really, really nice and so comfortable as well. And obviously you've got the Harman Kardon sound system, which will be getting used at some point. But yeah, we're currently just trying to charge it for a little bit, and then we're going to go do a proper charge with it in a second before we set off to the peaks. What I was flicking through is I found the seat comfort. You've got massage seats. They will be going straight on. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car, and for the first electric one that I've ever sort of been in, it's pretty decent, to be fair. It's fast. The acceleration is so fast because obviously you've got the instant torque and whatnot, but yeah, it's going to be a good day. So I'll catch up with you when we're on the way down. We're just on our way down to the Peak District now. I'm sort of playing around with all the little features and everything while Mike's driving, or attempting to, because he's letting the car actually drive for him. It's got all the lane assist and everything like that, and it's sort of like moving in and out. I think you want to get a certain amount of time to take your hands off the steering wheel when you're doing that. The iX has got a moon roof, and it's an exothermic sort of moon roof, and with a push of a button it turns opaque and then reveals itself. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but I'll do it again. With the sun you can see it sort of appear and then disappear as you're pressing the buttons, which is pretty cool. I'll show you it more in detail with a bit of an overlay, but yeah, we're on our way down there now. We're gonna go fill up. We're gonna go charge the car before we get there. So I've just pulled up to the charging station with a BMW iX. It's a really smooth, comfortable drive at the moment. It's got massage seats, which is a bonus. I've just got it plugged in to charge. I don't know how long it's going to take to charge, but yeah, all the cool features on it, it's pretty sick, to be honest. I've literally just been playing around with all the gadgets whilst we've been driving down, and the wheels are huge. It looks cool. It's got some really cool looks as well. People have been like looking at it thinking, what actually is that? Because I think this is one of the very first few that is actually on the roads. I know that it's just been registered. I think it had like 50 miles or something on it like that when we first got it. But yeah, it's currently into charge, but we've got to wait, so we're going to go grab some food, and then after that we're going to head towards the main part and get some drone shots first, I think, whilst it's quite quiet on the roads. So yeah, that's the iX. We've plugged it into the rapid charger. What is it now? 56%? Can't remember what it was before when we started. What was it before?
52.
52% before, so it's going up pretty fast. When you hop inside, you've got different driving modes that you can put it into using this button here, the My Modes button. you've got personal, which is obviously tailored to you, sport and efficient, and when you press sport, the screen should change to the sport one, and you can't really see it, but just at the top there, it turns red, and then obviously blue for efficient. So we'll put it into efficient. The screen again changes. I like this sort of display that it pops up, and then you can just about see it. It's blue. So this button here, which you press, oh, in fact you can see it. Look at that, it sort of changes from that.
Now let me get like a wide angle story.
So this grille, although very different.
Wait a minute, why is the screen gone black?
BMW. So we finally made it to the Peak District. Well, we have actually been here for quite a while. I forgot on the way here to put the GoPro on to get some photos, so I'll pop up the ones that we've already done here for you. But now that I have it on, we can actually start getting the POV shoot underway. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to do a bit of a walk around of the car for you so you can sort of see what it looks like. Huge wheels. Oh, the lights have just come on. But yeah, it's massive. I didn't realise it was going to be that big, actually. The grille's pretty cool. The lights, I think they're the BMW laser lights. If I'm right, yeah, BMW laser. Really nice interior as well. The lights at the back are quite cool. So I've just pulled over here because I'm going to try and get some panning shots through this area, but it looks pretty cool, so I wanted to get some. Walking, getting nettled. The shot better be worth it. Right, okay, go. Too many trees in the way. Might have to stand at the other side actually. I've got this section here to get the shot. Nah, I don't think so. It needs to be a bit wider for that shot. I don't think the road's wide enough. We just pulled up to the next photo location. I mean, like, look at it. Although the water is really low compared to what it usually is. Yeah, that is very low. Get some snaps here and then let's go off. Sure. So we've just come up here, and of course, there will be something right there. But luckily, I managed to get the shots that I wanted here. Oh, I can't even see anything, it's so bright. And it's just got really bright as soon as we've come to like the open. Yeah, it come at worst day, you.
This is how tall I am.
So we're just wrapping things up currently at the moment. We've come back to this little bridge to get the last sort of flyby shots and everything. Got some decent photos, but it was quite busy. In fact, it was very busy because we've had to kind of weave in and out of people and stuff like that. But we managed to get some decent shots, and I've got some really nice photos and whatnot. But yeah, we're just kind of gonna head back now and go to a different location and get some really nice shots, like in the trees and whatnot and everything like that. So yeah, let's go to the next location. So I'm just going to get some last final shots here in the foresty area. We were going to swap over to the 70-200, but I think it'll look quite nicer. I think probably the other road's a little bit better for the... You can't really see much of the trees if I'm being honest. Yeah, nah, we'll probably go to other place. Just have to keep moving all the time. I suspect that's probably what the roads are going to be like over there as well. Just getting covered in flies. There's so many. Oh, it's nettled. If I get nettled and the shot looks crap, I'm gonna be fuming. God, it's so big, you can't even see the bridge hardly. Yeah. Oh, that looks sick. So we've just swapped lenses to the 70 to 180 to get some different kind of shots because the compression on this other lens is sick. I'm still too close. Oh my god. Right, how's that one looking? Yeah, that looks sick. You can tell there's no image stabilization on this. Obviously we're going to have to launch it, so right, okay, put the mode on. So I thought I'd outro now because I usually forget it, but we're back on this straight road now. We're going to get the last shots with a drone and then we're going to do a couple of drive-bys and we're going to put a launch in there as well. So I hope you enjoyed that before seeing this outro. So yeah, it's been a great day. Again, thank you so much to Stratstone BMW for loaning the car. It's been really, really good. I've had a lot of fun and yeah, it's been really, really good. And I hope you enjoy the shots from the shoot as well that you'll have seen throughout the video. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like the video because it really helps. Bye.